If you've ever wanted to save time in Google Calendar, this tutorial is going to help a lot. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy an event in Google Calendar on your computer so you can quickly duplicate meetings, appointments, reminders, or any recurring plan without starting from scratch. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time if you manage a busy schedule. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one calendar. Once the calendar loads, look for the event you want to copy. This can be any event already saved on your calendar. Now click once on the event. This will open the event details card where you can see the title, date, time, location, and any other information attached to it. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct event because the next steps will create a duplicate of it. At the top right of the event card, you'll see the 3 vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down options. This menu gives you additional controls for the event, including editing, printing, and duplicating. From the menu, click Duplicate. Google Calendar will immediately generate a copy of the event. This is the key step that lets you reuse the same event details without having to type everything all over again. Once duplicated, a new event window will appear, and it will usually contain the same title, description, location, guests, and other settings from the original. Now you can edit the copied event. Change the date if you want it to happen on a different day. Adjust the time if needed. You can also update the title, add new notes, change the meeting link, or modify any other details to fit the new event. This is especially useful if you're creating a similar meeting, a weekly reminder, or a repeated appointment with slight differences. After making your changes, click Save. If the event includes guests, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to send updates. Choose the option that makes sense for your situation. Once you save it, your copied event will appear on the calendar as a separate event with the updated details. And that's it. You now know how to copy an event in Google Calendar in just a few clicks. It's a fast and easy way to duplicate plans, stay organized, and reduce repetitive work in your schedule. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tips, productivity tutorials, and simple tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.